Who loves a fun road trip? I know I do, especially when it means getting to hang out with my very good friend, the one, the only, Todd Toven, doing his thing, throwing it down at the Griddle More Tour. If you haven't been out to see Todd during one of his demos, it's a must. Go hang out with him, go watch him, throw down some amazing food, and show off exactly what the Blackstone Griddle can do. While I was there, he made one of his pasta dishes that he makes at most of his demo stops. It is so delicious, it's so quick and easy. Now, he did not have a name for this pasta dish, and as soon as I saw him pull out the Rana tortellini, I instantly yelled to him, this pasta dish has to be called the Toddelloni.
What do you call it? Pasta? Chicken Toddelloni.
Toddelloni.
Chicken Toddelloni.
And now we see so many people coming home from your demo stops, Todd, and posting the pictures of them recreating their Toddelloni. I knew I wanted to come home and make it for my family. And today is the perfect opportunity. I have my family coming over for Sunday Family Fun Day. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm taking his recipe, zhuzhing it up just a tad, and making it my own. I'm going to show you how, that way you guys can make this at home. Before we jump into that, don't forget to go to the Blackstone Products YouTube channel. You know the drill. Now, let's make some Toddelloni before everybody gets here. One reason why I fell in love with this Toddelloni is because of the simple fact that you could add anything that you have on hand to it, zhuzh it up, and make it your own, which is what we're doing today. So I have some Premio sweet chicken sausage. I love this sausage, it is so good. I did make this dish already one time since being back from the demo using a regular pork mild Italian sausage, and it was out of this world, even better left over. I couldn't get enough of it. This is gonna come together so quickly, so let's get started turning on our Blackstone griddle to about medium or medium low. Drop down those sweet Italian chicken sausages. After just a few minutes after they brown, we're gonna flip them over and cover them with one of my new favorite tools, which is the collapsible dome. I love this thing because I can easily travel with it. It stores so easy, and it doubles as a bowl if you flip it over. A quick squirt of water under that dome to help these sausages cook through. As they hang out and do their thing, let's grab our garlic. Now, you all know I love my fresh garlic. However, Todd swears by this garlic paste, so we're giving it a try, and drop it down into a little bit of olive oil. Spread it out just a bit so that it begins to warm up, and you can instantly smell this garlic. Todd, what was that first ingredient that you used?
Next we have some red onion. I like red onion. Some say you should never cook a red onion, but I like to cook my red onion.
Purple.
Yeah, she calls it purple.
Yep, they're purple, and I'm sticking to it no matter what the boys say.
Of course they're purple. All the greatest chefs call them purple.
Red onions are one of the greatest vegetables known to mankind.
Onions, white or red, really, really cheap.
Red onion jam.
Some red onion?
Yeah, what they said. Red onion.
Whether you call them red or purple, dice them up, and let's drop them down into that garlic and oil. Now, I have some quartered artichokes. I love adding artichokes to pasta. Now to the Rana tortellini that makes this Toddelloni, the tortellini, or the tortellini makes the Toddelloni. Rana makes a ton of different flavors of fresh pastas, and any one of those will work. Since they're a fresh pasta, we're gonna drop them right down onto our hot griddle, and they will begin to cook to perfection. Let's check on our sausage that is looking so perfect. It's done. So I'm gonna slide on my Blackstone cutting board, load it up with these sausage links so that I can easily slice these up and add them into our pasta. If you don't have the Blackstone cutting board, it is a must. Also, the hot griddle surface, it holds up to that heat with no problem at all. Give that a quick little mix. Now for some roasted red pepper strips. Todd used the Mazzetta brand, which is a fabulous brand. You can find that in your local grocery store. We're dropping down the entire jar, liquid and all. That added liquid not only adds tons of flavor, but it also helps to cook our tortellini through. I have some beautiful fresh spinach. We're gonna add a handful or two or three of that across the top. Quickly season everything with a little bit of salt and black pepper. Give this pasta a nice toss with that spinach. This is so beautiful in color. I cannot get over how gorgeous it is coming together and smells so amazing. Now in the center of this pasta, we're dropping down a little bit more garlic because a girl can never have too much garlic. Drop down some sliced grape tomatoes, a little extra drizzle of olive oil, and tomatoes love nothing more than some salt, so let's salt them up. Give everything a mix. This is just about done and I cannot get over the smell of it. Grab our Blackstone loaded Italian, sear and serve, and drizzle it all across the top, and now the smell of this is out of this world. This sear and serve is so delicious. If you haven't tried it yet, I hope you find it and try it. You're gonna love it. Before I pull this off, I'm gonna drop down some fresh mozzarella pearls because I have them on hand, which I love the simple fact, again, that I can add to this anything I have in my refrigerator or in my pantry. Give it a quick toss. Now let's grab our pasta bowl and pull this off, plate it up, and get it ready for some garnishing. We're starting off with some locatelli cheese. I love locatelli cheese. I think it's the absolute best cheese out there. It's a Pecorino Romano. However, you could use a fresh wedge of Parmesan, grate it over the top of this pasta, add in some fresh basil leaves, which smell absolutely amazing and remind me of summer. Give that a quick toss. Of course, I need an extra layer of that locatelli cheese, a little bit more basil to finish it off, and now this is ready to serve up to my family. I hope you guys enjoy this as much as we did. It was a perfect addition to our Sunday Family Fun Day. Zhuzh it up and make it however you can to make it your own. Post those pictures for Todd to see, post them for me to see, and Blackstone to see. We cannot wait. I hope you enjoy some Toddelloni. Todd, thanks for letting me tag along on your demo for a quick little stop to see how awesome of a time the Griddle More Tour really is. If Todd is out near you this year or next year or whenever it might be again, be sure to get there and watch him because I can guarantee you a good time. Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty and I will see you guys in the next video.